My name is Drew Elias. I'm with 828, and today I'm going to show you how to set up a step and repeat banner. We're going to use Illustrator CC, and let's get started. We're going to kind of design it on the fly here. So let me grab some logos real quick. I'm going to use my own for this. So here we go. Open this guy up. Snag just that part. And let's see. New. And we're going to do a print document, CMYK. Pretty much wherever this is going to go, if you're going to get it printed, it's very likely going to be running CMYK, so might as well start there. We're going to do a 10 foot by 8 foot, 120 inches by 96 inches. So that's your visible space right there. It's going to go ahead and set up a couple guides. Do 4x4 in the corner here. This I'm going to do just to snap some guides to keep me right off the edge. There's no need to be right up on the edge with step and repeats. Alright, let's get this one more down here. Alright, let's delete that guy. Paste in my logo. Let's go ahead and make this 8 inches. Probably about 10 across is what I'm looking for. So let's go ahead and get 10 of these and see what it looks like. Just gonna option drag them to get about 10 of them here. That's 8. And do 9, 10. It's going to snap right to that guide. Go ahead and distribute the widths. That looks pretty good actually. I'm just going to leave it at that size. Alright, I'll drag a second line down here. Let's get rid of one of these so they'll offset. And I'm going to group these two together by rows. Alright. Center these guys on each other. Snap this back to the guide. And I'm working in outline mode here just because I can see the vector, see it real quick. This will produce a nice small file size when you send it to your printer. They'll be happy. It's going to load with no problem. Alrighty. Alright, let's just take all those, distribute them. Alright, let's see what color we got going on here. Black. Alright, so when you send this out, you're probably going to get something like a hem, some sort of edging. They're not just going to cut this and leave it a raw edge. So generally, it's safe to add an inch all the way around and just assume, ask them. When you get something printed, ask them what they need for bleed. So we'll just make this, we're going to give an inch on each side, which will mean 2 inches overall. So we'll do 122 by 98. Alright. So let's go ahead and, looks kind of plain. Let's go ahead and just give it a little color, a little jazz. Throw some background here. Go ahead and snap this 0, 0, like that 98. Let's open some swatches here. Let's go with a green, maybe. I like green. Alright. Let's give it a little color or something. A little gradient. Something like that. Just dragging the right color in here to make this look right. Let's get rid of that one. back. Something like that. Sure. That might be something nice. I don't know. Just give it a little variety. Yeah, we'll just say so. Why not? I'm gonna copy this guy real quick. That guy's the wrong size. Let me fix him. Should be 122. Alright, now copy him again. Make sure it's at 0, 0. Select that. Make clipping mask. Alright, I'm going to send all that to the background. I'm going to do it this way. Send it back. Oops. Actually, that's right. That's the one I want to send it back. There we go. Alright, so that's basically the setup. You're looking at, let's see, let's save this as a PDF real quick. This is what you're going to send to your printer. Let's see, we said this is a 8x10 step and repeat banner. Send this to my desktop. We'll go with Acrobat 8. That should be good enough. Now, if you need to match a color, obviously, if you have a company color or a Pantone color, you need to tell your printer when you're doing that. And if you send them a file like this, they can easily do a color test real quick and then plug in the correct values based on their printer. Let's go ahead and close this. Let's see, here's that file. Looks like you got a 1.1 meg file. You send that to 10 foot by 8 foot print ready file. There's no pixelation issues. You're going to send that to your printer. You're going to get the exact print you want. You know what it's going to look like. They'll like you for it, and it'll be a good project. Stay tuned. This has been one of the workflow videos for wide format. Thanks for watching.